Namaskaram Chattas and Chachis, I'm your Mrs. Malayali and today I am at a very famous place of Kozhikode. I'm sure if you stay in Kozhikode you must have had Shobha Bakery breads, right? They're very delicious and soft, and most of you must be wondering how they are made, what is the recipe and all that thing. So you're seeing all the bread behind me. So today we are going to check out how these breads are made, what are the things that they do here, because we are at the manufacturing unit. So let's check out. So friends, with me I have Jyoti, who is the owner of this bakery. So hi Jyoti, how are you?
Fine.
Okay Jyoti, tell us from when is this bakery started?
मेरा पिताजी स्टार्टिंग हो गया.
हाँ, മലയാളം മനസ്സിലായി, മലയാളം ചാനൽ.
ഇത് ഇവിടെ തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട് അച്ഛനും അമ്മയാണ് ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. ഒരു 18 വർഷമാണ്.
ഓക്കെ. ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ആർ ദ തിങ്സ് ദാറ്റ് ആർ മെയ്ഡ് ഹിയർ?
ബ്രെഡ് ഇവിടെ മെയിനായിട്ട് ബ്രെഡ്, ബന്ന്, റസ്ക്, ക്രീം ബന്ന് അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ സാധനങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്.
ഓക്കെ, ഐ ലൈക്ക് ദ ക്രീം ബൺ, ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി ഡിലിഷ്യസ്. ആൻഡ് ഹൗ മെനി ബ്രെഡ്സ് ആർ മെയ്ഡ് ഇൻ വൺ ഡേ?
ഒരു 3000 ബ്രെഡിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത്. ഏകദേശം നമ്മളിവിടെ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലൊക്കെ സപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
हॉस्पिटल भी सप्लाई करें? ओके ओके. एंड फ्रॉम हियर इट इज बीन सप्लाइड ऑल ओवर द कोझिकोड ओनली और अदर प्लेसेस टू?
ബ്രെഡ് കോഴിക്കോട്
ओनली कोझिकोड. ओके.
and കാസർഗോഡ്, കണ്ണൂർ, വയനാട്, മലപ്പുറം.
ओके. what are the products that are been made apart from bread?
ബ്രെഡ്, ബൻ, റസ്ക്.
Okay. Okay, so let's go around and see how these breads are made. Thank you so much Jyoti.
Okay.
For how many days this will survive? This is 1 day consumption?
1 day 10 bag.
1 day 10 bag. Okay. So this is cold. The temperature has to be cold because the yeast won't survive otherwise. So this is the yeast that they're using. Now we are adding yeast. It is fresh yeast. It is not dry yeast. Okay, so now yeast is been added. Maida is getting added. Okay, looks like a lot of bread is going to be coming out of this. Okay, so we are waiting for the mold that is going to come out of the oven, and then the mixing is going to be started. The table counter is being cleaned. See, everything here is about measurement and timing. If the measurement or timing goes wrong, I don't think the bread will come out that great. So everything is punctuality, timing, measurement. And I've seen a lot of ingredients that has been getting added, which we normally don't add to the bread when we make at home. So that's why I guess it is very delicious. Here is the famous cream bun that I told you guys. So first the bread has been made and then they are going to cut it in half and add the cream in it. And the cream is super delicious. I think it's a whipped cream, but it's their own recipe and it's been made here. He's put bread improver. I think this is a secret ingredient that we not use in the house. Okay, looks like a milk powder, but it is something else. Now I think it is uppa. Okay. Uppa. Okay. Salt. Okay, everything is actually the measurement. They are, see, you can see everything is measuring and is adding to the measuring basket. And now it is going directly to the mixing container. And now let's see what is going to add. I guess it is going to be maida. Maida. What is it? Okay. So see, lot of different ingredients that we have not thought of. Secret recipe of Shobha Bakery is going out. I think entire city is going to enjoy this. So it has been supplied on the same day. Same day it has been transported to different bakeries. And Shobha Bakery
आज तैयार करेगा वो कल सुबह में जाएगा.
कल सुबह जाएगा. ओके. और इसका शेल्फ लाइफ क्या है?
वो 5 दिन का.
5 days है. ओके. Now the butter is getting measured and it will be going to the container. The dough is ready. Now I think it is going to rest for some time. Freshly baked bread from the oven directly. At this point in time the bread is very soft, so you can't cut. You have to make it cool down. Otherwise the slices won't come. Yeah, it is very hot. Okay. Tell me in the comment box if you have seen so many breads together, because I haven't seen. Since long you've been eating Shobha Bakery bread?
Years to
How many years?
more than 10 years.
More than 10 years Archan is eating.
Whenever we want, we are purchasing from here only.
Directly from the bakery?
Yeah, directly from this.
Directly from the factory.
Yeah,
And they must
yeah.
be giving you some discount also.
That is our secret. That I cannot disclose.
Don't come to the bakery directly. You can go wherever it has been distributed. Because this is only the manufacturing unit. So unfortunately I won't be able to give you the address also. But I can tell you that yes, it is in Kozhikode, near the Ethanical Junction.